Good morning, my name is Atitha Ithi Pichaydesha.
Good morning, Miss Ithi Pichaydesha. I'm Prabhasari Thongnam.
Nice to meet you, Miss Ditonglam.
Pleased to meet you too, Miss Ithi Pichaydesha. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada and you?
Oh, I'm from Philippines.
I see I'm an accountant. What about you?
I'm a manager.
What company do you work for?
I work for Tesco.
What does Tesco do?
It's manufacture grocery retailing.
Where is in headquarters?
Its headquarters is in Britain. What company do you work for?
I work for Toyota.
What does Toyota do?
Is manufacture car.
I see. Where is its headquarters?
Its headquarters is in Japan.
Well, it's nice talking with you, Miss Ithi Pichaydesha.
You too, Miss Ditonglam. Thank you.